Changing your payout method on MyFICO is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the MyFICO website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Payment Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. Scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new method. You will be presented with various payout options. Select your preferred method such as bank transfer or PayPal and follow any prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to ensure your new payout method is set. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding the update. Following these steps will help you successfully change your payout method on MyFICO.